IKEA uses these strategies to grab your money and you don't even realize it. But first, let me ask you something. Usually when we go for trips, we bring back something while coming back. Why do we do this? Don't we get the same product here? Or is it to remember the trip something well? Most probably, it is a second option. IKEA uses this human psychology brilliantly by placing its stores in the outskirts of the city. So when we travel such far places beating the traffic, we tend to buy something just for visiting the place. IKEA shows you a specific path to be followed once in the store and makes it so difficult for the customers to find the exit. This is done to make sure the customers stay in the store for longer amounts of time. Why? The longer you stay, the more you impulse buy. And just when you're completely tired, exhausted from roaming, and think it's all over, famous Swedish restaurant with amazing Swedish cuisine available at this one place. We're not gonna come here every day, so why not give it a try right now? And once you purchase the product, IKEA delivers them unassembled to your doorstep and you have to assemble it. But won't that increase the hassle for the customers? Apparently not. Customer values the product more when they put their time and effort to assemble the product. And when the company gives value to customers, they become loyal to the brand. This is called as the IKEA effect. Share this with your friends and make sure to follow Finance in a Minute for more such content.